For those who serve the nation, every day begins with courage. Their lives are built on discipline, strength, and the readiness to face the unknown. But beyond the battlefield lies another responsibility, one that doesn't require a weapon, but knowledge. The ICATT Air Ambulance Foundation brought this mission forward through a dedicated CPR training program. For the brave soldiers of the Gorkha Rifles under the Southern Command. More than 400+ troops and their families. Not for combat training, but to learn how to save a life. Through expert guidance, participants learned the fundamentals of CPR. Understanding how simple actions can restart a heartbeat and restore hope. Each compression, each response, each second practiced. Preparing them for moments that demand immediate action. Because in a cardiac emergency, there is no time to wait, only the courage to step forward. And the knowledge to act, empowering heroes beyond the call of duty, because those who protect the nation can also save lives within it. When every second counts, training makes the difference.